Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. Firstly, make sure you are logged into the correct account or channel. After selecting the correct account, click your avatar again, then select your channel from the drop-down menu. This will bring the central hub for managing your channel. Click the Customize Channel button. This allows you to access the tools to manage your channel and lay out playlists. From the left-hand side menu, select Playlist. Now, just click on the New Playlist button in the top right corner. You need to enter a title for your playlist and include like it's public or it's only for those with the link that can view it or private. Once you figure out everything, click Create to finalize the playlist. You can select Add Videos when you open the playlist to add the videos to it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.